You can work 90% faster than your other office colleagues if you know the formulas. In this lesson, we will learn important Excel formulas that will power your job. We will make Excel to make some calculations for us. Let's see how. In previous lectures, we have learned how to enter the data and make some formatting, and here is our prepared sheet. Let's add some summaries to it. We will use Excel formulas to add these summaries. The first, let's suppose we have given a target to give it sum of total salaries paid to our employees. We have column that is monthly salary, and we want to know what is the total amount of salaries being paid to our all employees. We will use the sum formula and we will get the sum of total salaries of all employees available with us in the sheet. How? I will click in this first column, then press equals sign. We press it to start any formula in the Excel. Then type formula. The formula is sum, and then we will give the range in parentheses. It is asking us number 1, number 2 and 3. The number 1 will be the first cell in the range and the last cell in the range. Click on the first cell, then press Ctrl Shift, keep it pressed, and then press down arrow key. It will go down to the last cell of your range. Our last cell of the range is H52 and the first cell is H8. Now our sum of salary range is complete. I will close this parenthesis and hit enter, and we have got the total sum of salaries being paid to employee. As it is a currency, let's make it change to a currency. Here you can see that we have at a format column, we have given currency signs. I am going to convert it into a dollar. You can change it as per your choice. So this is the amount of total salaries being paid to employees. Now let's see further. We have some employees whose salary is low. Some of them have salary in the mid range and some of them have high salary. Let's suppose you want to analyze and get what is the amount of an average salary paid to this company, like our company employee, and average salary of the employee. So we will get the average salary by using average formula. Average. Similarly, first cell of the range, then shift control down key, and last cell of the range, close parenthesis, hit enter. This is the amount of an average salary paid to our company employee. I will convert into dollar sign. So this is the salary. Now let's see. We have a sheet of thousands of hundreds of employees. We want to calculate how many employees in this sheet we have. Total number of employees regardless of their status. What we will do? We will count A. The count A function counts non-black entries in a cell which contains any non-numeric value. It counts for you on non-numeric value as well. So similarly, the first cell of the range, full name column, to the last cell of the range, and then press this close parenthesis and hit enter, and we have got total number of employees, that is 45. It's mean in this sheet we have 45 employees whose names and data is with us. Now let's find only active employees. Let's suppose you can see the employee status. We have some employees who are active and some of them are leave. Let's suppose your line manager has given you a task to identify employees who are active today and who are on leave today. What we will do? We will count the employees, but there will be a criteria involved. We have to count only those employees who are active. So we will use the countif formula. Countif. You can see that it is asking you to give the range, then the criteria. The range will be that column where our status lies, because based on our status we will count the employees. Similarly, the first cell of the range, shift control down key, the last cell of the range. Here I am not going to close this parenthesis because we need to give the criteria. Our criteria will be active because I want to count only active employees. So what this formula will do, it will count the number of employees from this range whose status is active. Press enter and we have got 37 employees who are active today. Now let's make it reverse. Let's count those employees who are on leave. We will use the same formula, countif, the same range selection criteria, and this time our criteria will be changed to on leave. Press OK. Let's enlarge it. So we have status on leave 3 employees. It's not giving us right, I believe. We have more employees on leave. Let me count and check where is the issue. On leave we have 8 employees on leave. Let me copy this similar status. Let's correct it. Where is our problem? See, you can see we have not selected the entire range. I'm going to apply this formula again, because if you don't select the range accurate, see, we have selected a range from N33 to N52. So we did not select the range properly. I'm going to fix it. Our range is N8 to N52. Now see, we have got the correct answer. Now there is one very important formula, that is if. Sometimes we have to get the range based on our values. Let's suppose we have bonus here. We have bonuses 200, 400, 600 and 800. Let's suppose you want to categorize the employees who got more bonus, like low bonus or high bonus, based on a criteria or a value. Here we will use the if formula. Let's see how. Equal to if bonus, I will click on this bonus column. If bonus is equal to, like suppose if bonus is greater than 600, if bonus is greater than 600, that bonus will be considered as high, otherwise low. Now what it will do, the logical test is if it will see if the amount of bonus is greater than 600, it will give you the high. It means that our bonus will be high. If the amount of bonus is less than 600, it will give us the low. Press enter and you can see that 0, it is low. There is very easy trick to copy formula down the cell. Just click here and wait for this plus sign. Once this plus sign appears, double click on it and it will copy and paste formula to the last of the range. And now we have got low and high bonus rates using countif formulas, like so using for if formula. See, for 800 high, 600 we have given greater than 600, all will be low. So we have learned so far 4 to 5 formulas that are day to day used. One in in the last and the most important formula, that is VLOOKUP. What VLOOKUPs do? VLOOKUP finds missing values from different range of the data. Let's suppose in this range we have complete information of employee, department, their job title, their managers and everything. Let's suppose you are working in finance, or finance has given you a data. In this data everything is complete, but the name of the manager is missing. You need to bring name of manager here, and you have this database. Let's suppose this time we have got only around 8 employees. What if you can do it manually? But what if these employees are 1000, 100, 500 or something? You can't do it manually. So we will take the help of VLOOKUP to bring manager name of these employees into this sheet. But one thing important, that these employees should be available in this sheet, because if the data is not matched, we will not get any response. So considering that these all employees are available in this sheet, and there is a unique identity called employee ID that is same across all the sheet. If you don't have same unique identity across your database, you will not able to find anything. So let's start. VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP value, as I told you, our unique value is employee ID. So I will click on this column. So our lookup value will be employee ID. Mean in both the sheets, Excel will look and get the name of manager based on employee ID, comma, then it is giving us table array. Our table array is called our main database. We will start from this unique ID. We will go towards right until we don't reach our desired column, and you can see that once we reach our desired column, the column index is 12. You see that our column index is 12. It means that our desired value is available in 12th column. Let me show you again. We will look up employee ID. Start from here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12 is there. And now control down key and it will select the entire range. Now we have selected our table array, and I will press column. As I told you, we have 12 column index, that will be our required value. We will go with exact match because we have exact employee IDs and we want exact match based on that IDs. I am going to click false and close parenthesis, hit enter. Here it is not showing us the result because we have the cell format as text. We need it should be general. Then press F4, press enter, and it has given you the name. Similarly, I told you, when you see this plus sign, keep drag on this entire range and it will give you the line manager's name. And now you can see that by using our VLOOKUP, what we have done, we have got data from main sheet to finance sheet by using only employee ID. Alright, so that's all for today. We have learned some powerful Excel formulas that are very helpful in day-to-day life. If you learn these formulas, you can work definitely faster than your other colleagues of the office, and also these formulas will save you hours of work in your day-to-day life. That's all for today. In next lecture, we will see how we can add new rows and new columns by utilizing some important shortcuts. See you in the next one.